Let's go deeper and let's discuss gastroschisis on ultrasound. Let's define what fetal gastroschisis is. What gastroschisis means is when you conceive and there's a baby growing in your womb, sometimes the anterior abdominal wall on the baby does not close up. So what happens is these intestines that are just seen floating in the amniotic fluid. So the anterior abdominal wall or the skin or the membrane that covers the intestines of your baby in the womb does not grow. So the abdomen is like an open abdomen. So when you are doing a scan, you just realize that there's a baby, but this baby has intestines, bowel loops, which are just floating in the amniotic fluid. This is what we call gastroschisis, and you'll not know these things unless you do an ultrasound scan. So once you are pregnant and you are told to do an ultrasound scan, we should be able to pick a gastroschisis. And once we pick gastroschisis, our position is just to report and tell the team of the medical team that is looking at you at the hospital that the baby that you are carrying has gastroschisis. So this is going to inform them on how they're going to deliver the baby, and this is going to inform them the preparation that they're supposed to make, so that at least even after delivery, the baby is supposed to go. They are supposed to go in and try and make sure that they do reconstructive surgery, so that at least they cover up the anterior abdominal wall, so that at least the baby can grow up to be a normal baby. So that is essentially what I wanted to speak to you today. And as I've always said, these conditions have they have medical solution. Once they are found, there is no fear, because the reason why God gave us knowledge and technology is because we need to help. And I'm sure once some of these things are picked, or if you have ever had a patient or a child with such a condition like gastroschisis, I'm sure you know that there is always medication, depending on the extent and depending on the severity. So thank you always for tuning in. Thank you always for following me. Thank you always for commenting. I've always prayed that even if you are sick, even if you have a medical condition, my prayer is that God is going to watch over you and you're going to be healed, you're going to be better, that God is going to be with you. Thank you, and have a great day ahead.